Maintaining balance in the body through acupuncture. There are many different things that we can do in order to improve our overall health. One of the main things that involves our health in general, however, is the balance that is within our bodies. This balance has had many different names over the centuries, but for the most part, it was simply a way of keeping the negative and positive parts of our body in check. The ancient Chinese culture used to refer to the energy that was our life force as qi. They also began to manipulate this life force in various ways. One of them was through the use of acupuncture. According to traditional Chinese medicine, the flow of energy through our body took place in one of dozens of different channels. If one of these channels should happen to get redirected, or if the flow of energy was not constant through our body, illness took place. The various illnesses that we could experience as a result of this imbalance ranged from pain to cancer and anywhere in between. Acupuncture offered a way to manipulate the flow of energy in our body through the insertion of hair-thin needles to various depths, according to the particular channel that needed adjusted. Along with acupuncture, however, the acupuncturist has always offered suggestions on other ways to treat yourself naturally. Most of them do not consider acupuncture to be the end-all when it comes to natural medicine, but only a step that will help to get you into a balanced state. They may also provide you with information on supplementation and other health regimes that will help to keep your body in check as well. By following a proper course of health, which includes the use of acupuncture in many cases, you can experience a more balanced life force and a better overall sense of well-being. Although this sort of acupuncture is, by some estimates, 5,000 years old, it is still one that has many uses and benefits that are experienced even today. Not only is it a way for us to restore our health, it is something that could keep us in balance. It also a way that we can maintain our health even if we are not feeling any ill effects at the moment. Through regular visits to the acupuncturist and a general healthy lifestyle, we may be able to keep ourselves free from the diseases that plague most of mankind.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.